All right, guys, here is the architects.day model that they sent. So I kept all the materials exactly as is. There's a little bit of cleanup I can do, of course, to the foundations, just to make that clip and go into the ground. I figured we'd just start right from here. All right, so we can step pretty much right inside. So of course, here we have the interior. Again, I simply just kept all the architect's model. We can always do post-processing, cleanup, and materials. Look out the windows. And then of course the doors here, we can have them opened. So we go through, and here's the bedroom. So look out these windows. Get a really nice sense of what they're gonna see. Oh. I think over here's the bathroom. Storage room. Ah, here we go. And yeah, the bathroom over here. Shower. Looking through there, sinks. So yeah, just fantastic. Yeah, really beautiful model, guys. So I'm gonna go back out here, go down the stairs, and there we go. All right, have a test. All right, talk soon, guys.